दोस्तों, welcome to Kalam IAS UPSC CSET crash course. In continuing with the series of the lectures, in today's lecture we would be discussing some topics about the reasoning aspect. And to take the first topic today would be coding and decoding. So the topic coding and decoding is very simple. According to me, there is nothing additional which we need to do. The only one thing which we need to remember is ABCD, which I hope everybody knows it. Okay, ABCD and the coding for it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 normal numerical coding. So this is what we know by coding, and the code will be given to us in the question, and according to that code we need to decode it. What does the code mean? Decipher the code. Ciphering and deciphering, it is encryption, decryption. So it is a very easy, just we need to find the patterns in it, just like we find it in the sequences and series pattern, sequence and series type of questions. What are the type of series which is there, what will be the missing number, what is this. So similarly, there is a pattern in these kind of questions, and we need to identify the pattern and come to an output. Okay, so now what is coding? Coding is a process used to encrypt a word or number on a particular code or pattern based on some set of rules. So based on some rules, either it may be +2, +1, depending on anything what the code would be. The pattern is coded, written, encrypted in the process. And in decoding, what we mean by decoding is to decipher it, to achieve to the real content which is present, which is written, or which is coded in the different form. So that's how we need to do it. Just remember, this is the only thing which you need to remember in this thing. Okay, A B C D E F G and this order 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sometimes it is given to be written in reverse order, so you can do this, and you don't need to learn this. Just write this whenever the question comes in the CSET paper of this category. Just write A B C D 1 2 3 4 5 on the question paper itself, so to that you are visible. These things are these code and decodes are visible to you, and it will help you. But to ease our doing, we need to remember just this word EJOT, or any keyword which you want to make here. This is just the mnemonic which you can remember, EJOTY. It makes our job easier, because what it denotes: E is equals to 5, J is equals to 10, O is equals to 15, T is equals to 20, Y is equals to 25. So this is how we can do it if we remember it. What is the keyword? Our keyword is EJOT. Okay, so that's how we need to do it. Just remember it, and coding, decoding it is. Now nothing more theory out of it. Next thing, we would be only discussing the questions and how to identify the questions and how to solve them. Okay, this is our first question. If the order of the letters in the alphabet is reversed, order is reversed means A B C D को लिख दिया आपने D C B A. This order is reversed, and each letter represents the letter whose position it occupies. Then the following presents लखनऊ. तो अगर A ऐसा है, A B C D की जगह उल्टा हो गया है, तो अब आपको लखनऊ की जगह निकालनी है. ठीक है, आपको लखनऊ निकालना है. लखनऊ कैसे निकलेगा? ट्राई कीजिए, अटेम्प्ट कीजिए. 1 minute टाइम इज गिवन टू ऑल ऑफ यू to attempt this question, and then we will proceed ahead. Or this is our first question, so let me tell you how to solve it. ठीक है, तो firstly we would write A B C D E F G H I J. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सिमिलरली आगे भी होगा, और यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Z Y X W V U T S R Q, ठीक है। नाउ लखनऊ, ओके। सो यू क्या होगा, यू ये अपना यू इज एफ, सो यू इज एफ, सो इसमें अपना जो यू है, यू आपका एफ है। एफ कहाँ पे है, इन दो में, तो ये दो तो आपके कैंसिल हो गए, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद यू डोंट नीड टू राइट एवरीथिंग ना, जस्ट सी यू से आपका एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया। अब ओ एफ एक्स पी एम दिया है, एल एल दिया है, लास्ट वाला बस देखना है आपको डी और ई में से क्या है। तो लास्ट वाला क्या है, डब्लू, डब्लू क्या है, डी, तो ये आपका हो गया डी, ये आंसर। See, this is how what I need to tell you, what others don't tell you. You don't need to be an expert to solve these kind of questions. You just need smart work and you don't need to decipher the whole Lucknow. एग्जाम में क्या होता है, लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है, लोग क्या करेंगे, ये चीज़ तो समझ गए इजी क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन एवरीबडी विल डिसाइफर होल ऑफ लखनऊ, इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 2 minutes. But if you work logically with the options are given to us to help us to reduce our time, and that's why smart work comes into the picture. Okay, that's why smart works come into the picture and we need to do it. इसलिए आपको क्वेश्चंस को देख के करना है ताकि सारी चीज़ें आपकी कवर्ड हो जाएं। आपने स्मार्ट वर्क करना है, आपने यू निकाल लिया, यू के बाद आपने देखा दो ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेट हो गए, आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस बचे हैं। उन दो ऑप्शंस में से आपको देखो कि डिसाइफर वर्ड सारा सेम है, सिर्फ लास्ट वर्ड डिफरेंस है, तो वाहे क्यों निकालना है, बिना निकालने भी आप बोल सकते हो ये ओ होगा, ये एक्स होगा, ये पी होगा, ये एम होगा, ये एल होगा। So that's how you need to work upon this. You don't need to learn everything. You don't need to work out on the whole example, whole question. Be smart in your choices, and accordingly we need to solve the questions. Okay, now next question. English alphabet, the first 4 letters are written in opposite order, and the next 4 letters are written in opposite order, and so on. And at the end, Y, Z are interchanged. What will be the 4th letter in the right of 13th letter? Okay. तो क्वेश्चन डिसाइड करते, क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है, क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है दिस इज ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स एंड एट द एंड वाई जेड. Now what question is saying, these 4 words are getting interchanged. For example, it should be written as D C V A H G F E L K J I P O N M T S R Q X W U V U Z X. Okay. Now what the question is saying, this is the order. What would be the 4th letter from the right of 13th letter? 4, 4, 8, 4, 12. This is a 13th letter. Now इस 13th letter के right का 4th letter 1, 2, 3, 4th. This is a required जो क्वेश्चन ने पूछा है. So what it is? T it is. T है, ये हो जाएगा आपका T आंसर. So see how it is very simple. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको नहीं भी पता है ना, अब देखो 4th फ्रॉम द राइट ऑफ 13th, टोटल होगा 17th. ठीक है, फिर मैंने आपको वो ट्रिक याद कराई थी, E J O T Y 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 17th है, 17th है ना, तो 15th क्या होगा आपका O होगा, तो O के आगे क्या होगा P Q, तो Q के नीचे जो भी होगा आपका वो आंसर हो जाएगा 17th. सीधे यहाँ से भी आ गया. तो इसलिए मैंने आपको वो याद करवाया था EJOTY, बिकॉज दैट मेक्स आवर वर्क इजियर. वी नो द ब्रेक पॉइंट 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Otherwise, every time whenever we do, we need to start from the scratch. We need to start from ABCD. But if we know this thing, it makes our job easier. Okay, that's why it is important for us. ठीक है, I hope you all understood this question. Let's move ahead to the next category of question. In the code language, mathematics is written as this, chemistry is written in the code language as what? Identify कीजिए इसको, what it is and how to write. 1 minute time is given to you. पैटर्न दिख रहा है आपको? सो फर्स्टली m का l बन गया, m के पहले l आता है, फर्स्ट इट इज द -1 एंड देन इट इज +1, predecessor and then the successor of the alphabet which is given in the question mathematics. So m would become l, m would become l, a would become b, t would become s, h would become I. So this is the given to us. Okay, so on similar pattern +1 है -1 है. So on similar pattern we see how we can write chemistry. Okay, so what would be a first word? C, first is -1, so it should be B. When it starts with B, just remove these two options. Now see what is the difference. What is the difference is after 3 words are same, the fourth word is different, N and L. See the fourth word. So what is the fourth word? Second, third, fourth, M. Fourth में क्या है उसमें? +1 is N. What is N? Here it is N. This would be our answer. Or even if you don't have, then try each and every word. H, +1 H is I, D -1 is D, E -1 is D, +1, I -1 is, what is I -1? H, S +1 T, T -1 S, R +1 S, Y -1 X. So this is our code. And that's why B is our answer. See how simple this category of question is of coding and decoding, and every year 1 or 2 or 3 questions are from this topic only. Okay, so you need to be very prepared from it, and these are also brownie points, bonus points which we need to pick up and gather and move ahead. Okay, now this category of question, in the sum, ठीक है, 1x 5x xx x1 is equals to 100. So how to put this kind of question? So rather than solving this kind of question, what would be help? What would be help is putting these numbers just in place of them. Put 2. So 2, 12, 52, 22, 21. 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is x is not coming x, so 2 is not the answer. Now putting 3, 13, 3, 13, 53, 33, 31, 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 3, 12, 12, 1, 13. 1 is come. 1, 2, 5 to 7, 7, 3, 10, 10 or 3, 13. 1, 3, 3, 13. Yes, it is fulfilling. All x's are 3. Okay, so 3 is our answer. So in this kind of questions, we don't tell you what to do, what not to do. Just put the options. These type of questions don't need any formula. These kind of questions, because with formula also you can solve. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x plus 1 is equals to, इधर x है 1 कैरी गया है, and then 5, 6, 7, 2x, 7 plus 2x is equals to 10 plus x, because 1x can be written as what? 10 plus x. So now x is equals to 7 minus 10, 3. Again, from this equation also x comes 3. So the method is, if you don't are comfortable, then follow the normal formula, unitary and equation wala method. But our aim is to how to analyze the questions which can solve easily without any formula and anything. So that's how we can solve this kind of questions. Okay, so the answer would be 3 by putting the things. Now come to our next question. What is our next question? A3BC DE2F. 4-digit numbers where each letter represents different digits greater than 3. This is the important thing. Greater than 3. If the sum of the numbers is 1592, sum है आपका 2 2 0 9 5 and 1. That means C plus F is equals to 2, and since the numbers are greater than 3, so means C plus F is equals to 12, then only it is possible, and 1 should be carry. And B plus 3 is equals to 0, and this is also possible when B is greater than equals to 7, means B plus 3 is equals to 10, so B is equals to 7 and 1 is carry. 4 plus E is equals to 9, so E is equals to 5. ठीक है. So what now this number becomes? 3 3. What is B? B is 7. What is C? C we don't know. E is 5. 2 F. Okay, ये हो गया. Now A plus D is 15. What are the possible combinations of A plus D of two digits number? 6 and 9 and 7 and 8. These are the two possible numbers which we can have: 6 and 9, 7 and 8. Okay. Now B is already 7. So this combination can't be there because numbers are not repeated. So it is 6 and 9. So it is 6 and 9. Okay. Now it is given that what is the difference between the values of A and D. And A and D is 15. So there is two combinations. This is not possible. This is the only possible option. And the difference between them is 3. So our answer is 3. See how easily and how normally we have to solve this question. Okay. So the stepwise method is very important. These topics are very simple, very easy. And with moderate level of understanding, we can solve this kind of questions. Let's move ahead to the next category of question. A to Z are numbers from 1 to 26. Okay. If GHI is 1578. So means G is 15, H is 7, I is 8, and 7 plus 8 is 15. DEF is 912. Okay, DEF is 912. So D is 9, E is 1, F is 2. Now it is not a combination of anything. Plus करने पे 9 नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, so there must be a different pattern. Now we see what is the pattern. It can be written as 7 into 2 plus 1, 8 into. Okay, so how the pattern it is given? Let's visualize. Sorry. See, G is 15. It can be written as 7 into 2. H is 7. Can be written as 8 into 2 is 16. I is 9 into 2 is 18. and now we write 14, 16, 18, 8, 7, 5, 1, 1578. That is how the code is written. Okay, so we need to decipher it is. Fine. Now let's see how DEF can be written in a similar way. Four into 2 is 8, 5 into 2 is 10, 6 into 2 is 12. So 8, 10, 12, 2, 1, 9, 9, 1, 2. Yes, we got it. So now what would be the answer for the question? ABC. Jaldi se, let's do it. What is A? 1 into 2, B is 2 into 2, C is 3 into 2, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. This is our answer. See how easily and how correctly we get to our answer. Fine. आगे बढ़े, समझ आया हर किसी को? Okay. Now the next question. The number 136 is added to 5b7 means 5b7 136. The sum obtained is 7a3. 7a3. Where are a and b are integers? A and b integers हैं भाई. Is divisible by 3. 7a3 is divisible by 3 means it is sum is divisible by 3. So 10 plus a is divisible by 3. What is the value can be a? A can be 2, a can be 5, a can be 8. That is the only 3 values possible for a. Then only it can be 12, 15 and 18 which would be divisible by 3. That's fine. Only possible values of b. Now we have to find the possible values of b. So 7 plus 6, 13 is comes this. So b plus 4 is equals to a. 1a, sorry. Because 5 plus 1 is can't be 7. So 1 has to be carried from here. So it has to be 1a. Means b plus 4 is equals to 10 plus a. That means b is equals to a plus 6. A plus 6 and b is a single digit number. So what can be values of b? 2 plus 6, 8. 5 plus 6, 11. 8 plus 6, 14. And these can't be the answer because b is a single digit number. Single digit number means single digit. So only possible value is, what is the only possible value of b? It is 8. Got it? The easiest question. This is the simple category of questions which we have in CSET. Now this is the next question. Try to solve this question. If every alternative letter of the English alphabet from B onwards including B is written in the lower small case, what the remaining letters are capitalized? What is the first one and second half of the written? Okay, now what is saying? This is our ABCD. Okay, now it is said including B onwards, it is written in small and then capitalized. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, now July we have to find out July. So what is J? J is small. J is small means this got cancelled. What is U? U is always is capital in all the options. L, what is L? L is small. L is small, capital L gets cancelled. Now we need to find out about Y. ठीक है? Now we are seeing Every even number is small. In total 26 alphabets are there. So Z would be 26. X, Y, Z. Y would be 25. Y would be odd. And odd digits are capital. So Y would be capital. So answer would be D. Got it? That's how smart work works. Otherwise, we would have written all M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and write the alphabet small capital for all of them. And then when we come to Y, then we get the answer. It is small or capital. But with logic, with analysis, by having a wide category of options available, we need to apply them and solve the questions. Okay. So that's how we will solve it. Now come to the next question. This is a different category of question of arithmetics and coding. Try to solve it. So we need to find what is dollar. Dollar means divided by, and at the rate means multiply by. Hash means minus. Then the value of this is we have to find out. 10 hash 5 at the rate $1 Let's decode it and write 10 minus 5 multiplied by 1 divided by 5. Now just remember what I told you, BODMAS rule. So first there would be brackets, but here are no brackets, and then would be division, ठीक है, and that would be multiplication. So 1 divided by 5 would be 1 divided by 5, and then 5 into 1 by 5. So 5 into, so what this will become? This will become 10 minus 5 into 1 by 5. 5, 5. So it is 1. So 10 minus 1, it would be 9. So our answer would be 9. See how simple the question is. So this is the only type of questions which are asked by the UPSC in coding and decoding. Okay. So don't get bothered. These are very simple options, very simple questions. You can solve them very easily. Let's move ahead with the next category of question. The sum stands for. So now the simple which we did for X wala question, similar thing will be done here. Okay, now put every option. Let's put 4, 14, 24, 34, 41. What will you get? 4, 4, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 4, 16, 61, 17, 17. No, this is not the answer. 4 is not the answer. 5 put it करिए. 5, 15, 25, 35, 51. 5, 5, 10, 10, 5, 15, 15, 5, 20, 21. No, it is not the answer. 6 put कीजिए. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25. 5, not the answer. 8, 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 33 plus 1 33 होगा, कितना होगा? 8 4 32 plus 1 33. ठीक है, 8 8 8 8. ठीक है, 16, 24, 32, 1, 33. 3 to 5, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 8, 21. No, it is not coming. Okay. Now let's solve it by putting the equation thing. X, 1x, 2x, x3. Sorry, we did the wrong thing. It was here. Sorry, my friends. It was a mistake reading. See, these mistakes we need to avoid. Okay. Now it is this thing. Okay. So we did 4 times, na, 3x. So now let's put it 4. तो 4 16 तो नहीं आएगा. 4 4 8 8 4 12. Let's put it 4. 4 4 8 8 4 12 12 3 15 plus 1 16. So 4 is not the answer. Let's put it 5. 5 5 10 5 15 15 4 19. It is also not the answer. Let's put it 8. 8 8 16 16 16 8 24 24 and 4 28. 2 carry. इधर भी 8 है. ठीक है. 2 3 3 to 5 5 plus 8 plus 8 5 plus 8 plus 8 8 plus 8 16 plus 5 21. Yes, we get the answer. So option is A. 8 is the answer. See, but I missed it starting में. it's a mistake हो गया. I am sorry for it. Dot 3 we rated about 3 dot. So that's why we got the incorrect answer. So that is very important for us, how to obtain the right answer and go into the right direction. Don't read the questions carefully and then next we need to proceed, because questions are very simple in this category of now we see L S J X V C. It is the code for Mumbai. ठीक है. Now we need to write code of Delhi. Delhi निकालना है. So for example, first we see what are the common elements. So the common elements are I. So what is the code of I? C. So Delhi में आखिरी में C होगा. ठीक है. But option C is not there in any of the cases. So let's revisit the question again. So might be there would be a different thing. Different sequence would be there. So let's see, identify the pattern in there. M से L, what is it? -1. Okay. U से S, what it would be? -2. M से J, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay. So now we see what would be Delhi. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So D -1 C, E -2 C, L -3 I, H -4 is D, and I -5 is D. So what would be the answer? It would be this CCIDD. CCIDD is A option. A would be our answer. So in this category you need to find the difference or the pattern which is there between the coded and the decoded sentence, and that's then how we need to proceed. Now we see the next question. What is the next question? If Rahman is written as 1 2 3 4 5, Dinesh is this, what is Hemam? So let's see. Rahman is written as 1 2 3 4 5 and Dinesh 6 7 5 8 4 9. Now we see n is 5 here, n is 5 here. Matlab the coding is done same. Now we need to find the common alphabets. We need to find out what Hammam is written as. So M is here in our question. This is M. M is 3. So M would be 3. A is 2. A would be 2, H is 9, H would be 9, 9 2 3 2 3, 9 2 3 2 3, this is the answer. आपको इसमें सॉल्व भी नहीं करना पड़ा, तो क्वेश्चन ऐसा सॉल्व किया बनाया था यूपीएससी ने. यू डोंट नीड टू फाइंड आउट द पैटर्न, अदरवाइज इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पैटर्न it would have been difficult question, but the options are given such that you don't need to find out the question. UPSC is already given the answer of this question in the question itself. Okay, now see the next question. 256 means red color chalk. 589 means green color flower. And 254 means white color chalk. So now we need to find the white. So 256 में 5 is color, ठीक है, so this 5 is also color, so 5 is gone, 5 is color. And 6 and 4 are chalk, so 6 and 4 are chalk. We need to find out white. White is 2, 2 is white, and 2 is red also. So common thing is 2, common इन दोनों में common क्या है? Color. So 2 would be color, ठीक है, and the only 4 is remaining, which would be white. We need to do the common things. Chalk is common. Common number is, what is common number? It's 4. It's 2. Color would be 5. 5 is common. So 5 is color. And the different thing is only 4. The 4 is white. So our answer is white is 4. Okay. Now see the next question. System, SYSTEM, it is written as SYSMET. Nearer, NEARER, is written as AENRER. Now what would be fraction? FRACTION. So what is the pattern? First 3 are interchanged, second 3 are interchanged, means reverse order. So first 4 will be interchanged and that 4 will be interchanged. CARFNOIT, CARFNOIT, this is the answer. D would be the answer. Okay, बिकॉज सिमेट्री है, बीच से आप तोड़ के उसको इंटरचेंज कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे आपने बीच से तोड़ा इंटरचेंज कर दिया, रिवर्स ऑर्डर में उसको लिख दिया. सो दैट्स हाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज डन. सो दैट्स ओनली फॉर दिस टॉपिक, कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग. तो दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इजी, नथिंग टू रिमेंबर, नथिंग टू डू. वी हैव डन ऑल पॉसिबल काइंड्स एंड कैटेगरी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यूपीएससी हैज आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक. And we have tried to include it, and no difficulty can be arising from this topic. So just practice it and try to solve this. Thank you and all the best. And next time we will meet with a different topic, different things. I hope this CSET series is going very helpful to you, and you all are keep practicing. So that practice is the only key to clear the CSET. Because when you practice, तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस आता है, तो आपको टाइम कंज्यूमिंग टाइम कम लगता है, एंड अल्टीमेटली इट इज द टाइम ऑफ टाइम मैनेजमेंट. एंड व्हेन यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड व्हेन यू हैव डन द PYQs, you would see the same category of question gets repeated. एंड वो सेम कैटेगरी आपको रिपीट होती है, तो आपको उसका ट्रिक भी मालूम होता है कि कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे उसको, और ट्रिक मालूम होता है तो आपका आंसर आ जाता है. दैट इज द की. आपको 50 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, उसमें से आपके 35 भी सही हो गए, 40 सही हो गए, तो आपका CSET आराम से निकल जाएगा. एंड ये 50 क्वेश्चन आप चाहोगे तो 54 क्वेश्चन आते हैं मैथ से. इन 54 क्वेश्चन में से आप 40 क्वेश्चन तो आराम से कर ही सकते हो. पैसेज करना है तो 10 पैसेज कर सकते हो. इससे भी ज़्यादा चीज़ प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे, इससे ज़्यादा भी चीज़ हो सकती है. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ यू नीड टू प्लान योर थिंग्स, हाउ यू नीड टू कैटेगराइज द CSET पेपर, एंड व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस. बट डोंट डिपेंड, एज इन द फर्स्ट लेक्चर इट वाज सेड, Don't go with a pre-noticed bias of you would be doing maths only and you would be doing English only, because UPSC has evolved itself, and UPSC tends to be very smart. Last year, everybody thought maths, everybody does with maths will be easy, English will be tough, so we go with mathematics. But in 2022, UPSC made maths difficult and English so much easy that it was a very easy part to go. But those who depended on mathematics, they failed to clear it sometimes. So that's how the beauty of the examination goes. Okay, so keep practicing and keep listening to this lecture. A handouts will be provided by the Kalam IAS that would be very helpful to you, and keep practicing the PYQs. Most of them are covered in this series only. Okay, thank you and all the best.